There are two cycles of NPL in China. I do think this time the size of the non-loan is much larger than last cycle. So I couldn't give you the exact number how serious because nobody really knows, even including the CBRC and the bank heads. So, but there will be much more NPL deals in the market than last cycle. There are a lot of loan portfolios, but there are buyers could be for AMCs, could be local AMCs, could be onshore investors and offshore foreign investors. Seriously, it's all about price. If you don't care about price, you can close a lot of deals. And as a foreign, we are US dollar investors, so basically our main competitor is not big four AMCs. It's not local AMCs because we have different strategy. But really, our real competitor, strong competitor is local RMB capital buyers and personal buyers. The most fierce enemy is that somebody first entered this market, don't care about price, just pay, just buy, and pay their lesson. We definitely don't want to play with that. So for foreign capital, to access a deal, a reasonable price deal, you really need to build a platform onshore that can help you to get the kind of deal, design the strategy, avoid competition. So I do believe for any capital who have a strong platform onshore, it's not hard to have access to NPL deals. Historically, we had about less than 30% 30 local services who signed a contract with us. But recently, we signed a new new SPV who, in the process, signed about 80 local services. So our contract is that basic term is that they give us help us in sourcing deal. Give us the first right of refusal on sourcing deal, and also first of refusal in service. So, and also we have some warrants in their firm. The reason we're building this kind of platform is that this is exactly an information imbalance platform. They help us in a province, in a specific location, sourcing all kinds of deals, setting up a database of the exit database, and also help us execute our strategy in local. So this is how we do the investment all over China. Last cycle, it was tough, really tough. We experienced a lot of litigations. Probably the whole firm experienced more than 1,000. And last cycle, we were fighting with borrow, with SOEs, with the government, borrow play tricks with the court in enforcement. But this cycle, the whole legal system in China improved a lot. We almost have no obstacle in enforcement. But this cycle's problem is that in liquidity, not in enforcement or court issues at all. It's all about, because this cycle, the loan portfolio's quality is better, it's highly mortgaged by hard assets. So your purchase price should underwrite at the right price. Then the next issue is not about enforcement in court, because this portion could be easily replaced by a lot of local law firms. The difficult part is how to use creative way to increase the liquidity of the collateral.